Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. This is Happy Hobby Life J Phil. Good day to all. Today I will share to you on how to remake an old cloth. So let's get started. First you have to do is to cut the sleeves. And also don't forget to cut the neck. And from here, we're gonna have to cut, trim, so that we can make our pattern. The width is 60 cm and the height is 29 cm. Two pieces, right side together, naka-umote ni shite kudasai. From here, measure 5 cm. Then from here, leave a gap for the opening. And then sew up and below. You can also add a tag if you want. Place it here or wherever you want. And then sew. So here is it. Zigzag sew. And this is the opening. Fold it in a half and then fold it again, twist fold, clip it. So this folding is for twist. And please be careful inside, because we are not going to sew this. Hindi po natin ito tatahiin, so ilalagay natin ito sa ilalim. So ang tatahin natin ay yung sa ibabaw at sa ilalim lang. Then this is it. Use your pin to secure it and be careful. We are not going to sew inside, so i-check po natin ulit ito para hindi siya matahi. Kasi po, ang tatahin natin ay yung sa ibabaw at ilalim lang. So it around. Sew it in 1 cm seam allowance. So, ang gagawin po natin ay unti-unti nating hihilain to habang tinatahi. Fold it slowly. When it comes to this thick part, please be careful to sew it. Mag-ingat lamang po pagtahi dito sa parting makapal. Hanggat maaari ay dahan-dahan lamang ang pagtahi dito. Sew it slowly as much as possible to the thick part so that your needle will not be broken. Find the opening part and dito po natin ito babaliktarin. Mag-ingat lamang po, paunti-unti nyong hilain hanggang sa mailabas nyo siya lahat. This is the opening part, yung hindi natin tinahi kanina. We'll need to sew this to close it. This is the tag. This tag is optional. So it's done now, and then you have your twist Beanie hat. Very pretty. Look at this. Wow. So this is the style now, and of course you can make another style if you want. Hilain lang po yung nasa ilalim, ilalabas lang natin para maiba yung style niya. So, two-way po ito. Dalawang style siya. Bonnet yata ang tawag dito sa Pilipinas. In Philippine, if I'm not wrong, this called bonnet. Also, this is reversible. You can use it like this way and turn it inside. Thank you everyone for your precious time and for dropping on my channel. I hope this video will get help for you. I will be happy if you will like and share this video. Thank you.